Imagine a world on fire with possibility, where trillions of dollars chase the dream of machines that think, create, and revolutionize everything from medicine to manufacturing. Right now, in early 2026, the global investment frenzy around artificial intelligence is nothing short of breathtaking. Worldwide spending on AI is projected to soar to $2.52 trillion this year, marking a staggering 44% increase from 2025, fueled by massive capital inflows into data centers, chips, and software. Startups in the space have secured a record $150 billion in funding, eclipsing previous highs and underscoring the sheer magnitude of this gold rush. Valuations have skyrocketed. Nvidia, the chip giant powering much of this boom, has seen its market cap explode to unprecedented levels, while companies like Microsoft and Google pour billions into AI infrastructure, with big tech collectively committing over $500 billion in AI-related investments targeted for 2026 alone. Microsoft, for instance, has funneled tens of billions into OpenAI, betting the farm on generative tools like ChatGPT, as Google races to integrate AI across its ecosystem, and NVIDIA supplies the GPUs that make it all possible. This isn't just hype, it's a tidal wave of capital reshaping economies, with AI driving nearly 60% of U.S. economic growth in recent years. But amid this electric excitement, a shadow looms. What if the AI boom isn't just a technological revolution, but a financial bubble waiting to burst? To understand this question, let's journey back through history, where innovation has repeatedly sparked euphoria only to crash into reality. Consider the dot-com bubble of the late 1990s, when the internet promised to connect the world and redefine commerce. Investors poured billions into anything with a .com in its name, inflating valuations to absurd heights. Companies like Pets.com soared despite zero profits, much like some AI startups today command billions without clear monetization paths. When the bubble popped in 2000, the Nasdaq plunged over 75%, wiping out trillions and bankrupting countless firms. Yet, the internet survived and thrived, birthing giants like Amazon and Google from the ashes. Similarly, railway mania in 1840s, Britain saw frenzied investment in rail networks, with annual spending hitting 7% of GDP at its peak, promising to shrink distances and boost trade, but leading to overbuilding and the Panic of 1847, where stocks cratered and many companies folded. And don't forget the cryptocurrency boom around Bitcoin in the 2000s and early 2020s, where digital gold lured investors with visions of decentralized finance, only for hype to outpace utility, resulting in massive corrections like the 2022 crypto winter that erased over $2 trillion in value. These episodes follow a familiar cycle. Groundbreaking innovation ignites investment euphoria, valuations detach from fundamentals, and eventually a market correction resets the board, separating true progress from speculative excess. Analysts sounding the alarm on AI point to eerily similar red flags. Valuations are inflated. Nvidia's multi-trillion-dollar market cap and OpenAI's ongoing losses, despite surging revenue, echo the dot-com era's eyeballs over earnings mindset. Massive investments like the $3 to $4 trillion projected in AI infrastructure by decade's end flow without commensurate proven profits. Tech giants are spending exponentially on data centers and chips, yet tangible returns lag, with 80% of firms reporting no productivity boost from AI so far. Corporate FOMO, fear of missing out on the next revolution, drives this as boards scramble to adopt AI amid unrealistic expectations of rapid, widespread adoption. Skeptics warn that hype has disconnected from economic reality, much like the telecom overbuild in the dot-com days, where fiber optics were laid far beyond demand. If this is a bubble, the reckoning could test markets in 2026, with slowing AI capex and intensifying competition leading to falling prices and returns. Yet, even if a financial bubble exists, artificial intelligence could still herald a genuine technological revolution, transforming productivity and daily life in ways we can't fully grasp. History shows that bubbles often accompany true paradigm shifts. The dot-com crash didn't kill the internet, it paved the way for its ubiquity. AI's potential is vast. It could already perform tasks worth $4.5 trillion in the US alone, automating workflows and unlocking efficiencies across industries. Unlike past fads, AI is grounded in real advancements, from agentic systems that act autonomously to applications in healthcare and finance. The key insight in technological revolutions: the real long-term winners aren't always the flashiest startups or hype chasers. They're often the infrastructure providers, the ones building the rails, wires, and foundations that enable the ecosystem. Think of how railroad survivors profited from lasting networks, or how telecom giants like Cisco endured the dot-com bust by supplying essential hardware. This brings us to the heart of the matter. If the AI market is overheated and poised for correction, where should investors actually put their money? History offers a roadmap. During and after tech bubbles, alternative sectors that support or thrive independently often deliver stable returns. Start with energy and electricity infrastructure, the unsung heroes powering AI's voracious data centers. These facilities guzzle power equivalent to small cities, driving demand for reliable grids, renewables, and utilities. Companies like Nextera Energy or investments in power transmission have historically outperformed during tech corrections, as they provide the backbone without the hype. Next, semiconductor manufacturing and equipment firms. Beyond NVIDIA, think of TSMC or ASML, which produce the tools for chip making. These picks and shovels plays echoed the winners in past revolutions, like steel suppliers during railway booms, offering resilience as AI evolves regardless of bubble bursts. Natural resources follow suit: copper for wiring data centers, lithium for batteries and electric vehicles intertwined with smart tech, and rare earth metals essential for magnets and AI hardware. Mining giants like Rio Tinto or Freeport-McMoRan have seen gains post-bubble, as resource scarcity meets sustained demand. Don't overlook defense and military technology, where AI integration in drones and cybersecurity bolsters sectors less tied to consumer hype. Firms like Lockheed Martin or Palantir have proven durable, drawing from government contracts that weather market storms. Healthcare and biotechnology represent another haven. AI accelerates drug discovery and personalized medicine, but biotech's fundamentals, like CRISPR innovations, stand strong. Indices tracking companies such as Moderna or Illumina have rebounded post-tech dips. Finally, diversified market indices like the S&P 500 offer broad exposure, diluting AI risk while capturing overall growth. With bonds and alternatives like private credit adding ballast, they've historically navigated bubbles by spreading bets across value stocks and non-tech sectors. The economic principle here is timeless. During technological revolutions, the most stable profits flow to suppliers of tools, infrastructure, and raw materials, and the enablers who profit quietly while visionaries battle the hype. As Carlotta Perez's work on tech cycles illustrates, bubbles burst, but infrastructure endures, channeling capital to productive ends. In the end, AI may indeed transform the world, ushering in efficiencies and wonders that redefine humanity's potential. But financial markets are cyclical beasts, prone to overreach and retreat. The smartest investors don't chase the glittering hype. They build diversified portfolios that weather the storm, positioning for the golden age that follows the burst. As we stand at this crossroads in 2026, remember, true wealth isn't forged in frenzy, but in foresight.